if you're interested in figuring out how you can lock in a 1.99% interest rate for your mortgage, you need to watch the end of this video. This is an incredible opportunity that is not to be missed. When interest rates are rising everywhere in North America, this opportunity is something you do not want to miss. Great for investors, first-time home buyers. This is just such an incredible opportunity, and I'm so excited to be able to share it with you. So if you're new here, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. So let's get into this incredible opportunity. So as I'm sure all of you know, interest rates have continuously risen over the last couple of months, and that's because the Bank of Canada want to really reduce the inflation rate. And so they've been aggressively increasing interest rates. Although that is expected to slow down in 2023, we're not expecting to see a drastic decline in interest rates overnight. So why not look at opportunities that are out there, the off-market opportunities, pre-construction opportunities that can really provide a great way for you to lock in a low interest rate with little to no risk and with not a lot of commitment. So this is one of the opportunities I must share with you, and I'm so excited to bring it to you because as soon as I heard of it, I knew I had to share it. So this is called the Broward County. In terms of location, it's right in the central downtown Calgary area, surrounded by full-on amenities. University of Calgary is also not too far away from the site as well. You have plenty of stores, shops, restaurants, and the airport is also not too far away as well. So in terms of the exact location, the homes will be located at 15th Avenue Southwest and 2 Street Southwest, again in the downtown central Calgary area. Just an unbeatable location. So that's the condo, so it's going to be a low rise. So it's going to be a 6-story building, which a lot of people tend to like. They don't have to deal with the headache of waiting long for an elevator or, dealing with really high maintenance fees, as low-rise buildings tend to have lower costs for that. So a lot of amazing opportunity there. It will consist of 155 suites. There will be 10 different amenities on site. Pricing will be from the 400s and closing is in 2027. The good thing about this building is that it's going to be surrounded by a lot of other new developments. And as I'm sure you know, and if you watched my videos before, I've always spoken about the fact of there being a huge advantage in investing in a master plan community. And that's because we tend to see home values appreciate quicker in master plan communities as more people buy up in the area and more developments continue to come for many years to come. So a lot of great opportunity for potential price growth here. Not only to mention there is cash flow positive opportunity of over $700 per month. Oh yeah, this is the real deal, guys. So let's look at some more renderings. Again, I will go through all of this at the end of the video. Make sure to watch till the end. Same with the 1.99% interest rate opportunity. So make sure to watch till the end. So in terms of connectivity, I mean, this condo location doesn't get any better. You'll be close to many different restaurants, bars that allow you to wine and dine and just enjoy the atmosphere. Great central location, close to many amenities, including parks, museums, and lots of different Calgary attractions. You'll, of course, also have the ability to stop and shop with the different shopping centers and stores that are close by. There's also going to be different institutions that are close to the site as well, such as the University of Calgary, SAIT, Mount Royal University, Bow Valley College, and so forth. Of course, there will also be parks that are close by. So just a really great, well-rounded location, perfect for residents and investors alike. There's also a golf course that's not too far away. Well, there's 2 golf courses that are not too far away as well. So incredible, incredible project. And if you don't know, Calgary is also known for having just incredible mountain views. So just beautiful, beautiful location. And then let's talk about the 10 on-site amenities. So this, of course, includes an entertainment area, barbecue and outdoor seating area, a practice putting green area, dog run and pet area, the large room, community garden, owner's lounge and theater room, gym and yoga studio, bike storage and workshop, pet spa and wash station. Wonderful. And there's no pool, so for investors, that's always a plus, right? Lower maintenance fees when there isn't a pool. So this is an interior rendering of what the kitchen and living area will look like. That's wonderful. Okay, so let's talk about this investment analysis, because I know everybody wants to know, how can you get $700 in positive cash flow from an investment? And yes, this is the real deal, guys. So this is a full analysis. If you were to purchase a suite that's priced at $550, and again, it does vary because suites are starting from the $400 range. If you're to purchase a suite that's $550, the monthly cash flow would be approximately $751. Just incredible. And here's how that works. So if you're looking to purchase this as an investment, the requirement would be 20%. Right now, the builder does have a low deposit structure of only 5% that's due until occupancy. So for investors, the remaining 15% won't be due until occupancy or closing. And for end users, you won't even need to pay the full 20% because the minimum down payment for a home is 5%. So really great opportunity there. But if this is an investment property for you, the 20% will be due at occupancy. And that would be $111. In terms of your monthly mortgage, so with an interest rate of 4.99, you could expect $23.46. Expenses such as property tax, condo fees, and so forth, which for 2 years is actually free, comes to $349. There's going to be an interest relief program that I'm going to talk about very shortly, which will allow you to lock an interest rate for 1.99 for 2 years, which is just incredible and unheard of, which provides, that $696 in incentives and monthly rent, which is going to be guaranteed for 2 years by the builder, is going to be $27.50. And when you do the math and calculations, the estimated cash flow comes to $751 per month, guys. So just incredible opportunity and unbeatable location. So what kind of incentives is this builder providing? You're getting free underground parking, free storage locker, $20,000 toward free upgrades. You're getting 2-year rental guarantee, 2-year free turnkey professional property management, 2-year free condo fees, free assignment, free hassle-free exit listing service on MLS after closing. Deposit structure, again, of only 5% for a limited time, and this interest rate relief program that I cannot wait to explain to you. So this is what's happening. So the interest rate relief program provides the purchaser with a total credit on closing based on the difference between the current posted fixed rate of interest for a 2-year term and the promotional relief rate. The purchaser receives a credit on closing up to a maximum of $18,500. So guys, this is an incredible opportunity to lock in a low interest rate at 1.99% for a 2-year term. This doesn't close until 2027. This promotion is only for a limited time until December 23rd, 2022. And it just provides an incredible amount of great incentives and opportunity for you to save a lot of money. And for those first-time home buyers who unfortunately can't qualify or can't get into the market, this is a great way to lock in a low interest rate and not have to worry about any of that until 2029, pretty much. And for those that are investors, I mean, hello, cash flow of over $751 in your pocket. That's like a part-time job, getting that income from really doing nothing and having a hassle-free, hands-off investment. So it's really a no-brainer investment. And if you have any questions or are looking to get more information on this interest rate relief program, or on the incentives, or on this project, be sure to contact me directly. And again, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.